Thank you for watching my very first how-to video. This is a really easy way to capture your customer information and create a database for your small business, as CRM software can be quite expensive. The information captured is also easily accessible for automating with Zapier to other apps such as Mailchimp and Trello to streamline your workflow, which I'm going to show you in future videos. However, let's get stuck into this one. So to do this, you're going to need a free Gmail account. I've gone ahead and created a little test account here that I'll use for this video and my future tutorials. So go ahead and open up Google Forms. And once it loads, you can see here that I've already created a Google form from the template contact information. I've pretty much kept it exactly the same as the template from Google Forms, but I've just split up the first and last name and added in a birthday. You can change the date format settings in your Google account and also customize the form to how you want it to look. So now we're going to hit responses and click on the little green icon to create a new spreadsheet. The default name is the form name with responses in brackets, and I'm going to go ahead and change it to customer database. You can also select an existing spreadsheet, but we're just going to go ahead and create a new one. A spreadsheet is then auto-populated with the titles or questions from your form and will automatically open. So you can see that here on my spreadsheet, and I'm going to go ahead and freeze the top row for future. So now we've set up our Google form and the spreadsheet where the information is going to be stored. So now I'm just going to do a quick test. So I'm going to open up that Google form as if a customer is filling in their information. So you can send your customers a unique link by hitting the send button and then the little link icon. I normally shorten the URL so it looks a little bit more professional. And then this is how your customer would see your form. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my information. Sometimes if you're adding a date in Google Forms, it will automatically default to the US format. To change this, you just need to go into your Google account settings and change your language to English and then Australian. So once you or the customer has finished filling in their information, you just hit submit. You can also change the little message that comes up when it is submitted in the form settings. So you can see the information I inputted in the test form has come up in the spreadsheet, and you can go ahead and format this database however you would like. And that's all done. So that's your quick, easy way of creating a free customer database or CRM for you or your customers to fill in. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please comment and I will try and get back to you or help you where I can. Check out the other videos in my channel to see how I automate this information to other programs and apps like Mailchimp and Trello. And subscribe if you like what you see.